In this video, I will teach you how to remember the elements present in modern periodic table with some mnemonics. First, we understand elements present in S block. In S block, the elements present are alkali metals, that is first group. Alkali metals. Taking hydrogen in alkali metals, we can easily remember hydrogen also with alkali metals. Actually, the position of hydrogen in modern periodic table is controversial. But for remembering, we will take hydrogen with this alkali group. So how to remember this group? हली ना करे रब से कैसे फरियाद, हली ना करे रब से कैसे फरियाद, हली ना करे रब से कैसे फरियाद. So we can remember this first group easily by using this manner. हली ना करे रब से कैसे फरियाद. Now for the first group, electronic configuration 1s1, that is simply we can write the electronic configuration of valence cell is ns1. Valence cell electronic configuration is ns1 and this is known as alkali metals. This group is known as alkali metals group. And generally they form positive ion by losing one electron. It means they form positive ion, like we can take example Li. On losing one electron, they form positive ion. So this is about first group. Now we understand second group. That is said to be alkaline earth metals. The way to remember the elements present in second group, easy way to remember the elements present in the second group, we can say like this: beta mange car scooter bapa raji. Once more, beta mange car scooter bapa raji. So this is easy trick to remember the elements present in the second group. Now for the second group, valence cell electronic configuration is NH2, means on losing two electrons they form positive 2 ion, like say Mg will give Mg2 plus by losing 2 electrons, because of 2 electrons are present in the valence cell, and this group is known as alkaline earth metals. So this is about second group. So first we have understood S block elements. Now we will understand P block elements. Now group number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 belongs to P block elements, and first we will understand about the 13 group. Elements present in 13 group, they are known as how to remember the elements present in 13 group with a trick. बैंगन आलू गाजर इन थैला नहीं. बैंगन आलू गाजर इन थैला नहीं. This is the simple trick by which we can understand the elements present in 13 group. Once more, बैंगन आलू गाजर इन थैला नहीं. Now, the outermost cell configuration or valence cell electronic configuration of 13 group element is NH2NP1, means there are 3 electrons present in the outermost cell. So generally they lose 3 electrons and form positive 3 ion. Also this family is known as boron family. Now we understand elements of 14 group. Elements of 14 group. The easy way to remember this element, we can say काशी गए शंकर प्रभु फूल लेने. काशी गए शंकर प्रभु फूल लेने. Once more, काशी गए शंकर प्रभु फूल लेने. So this is the easy way to remember all the elements present in 14 group. Now in 14 group, the valence cell configuration. Valence electron configuration is NH2NP2. NH2NP2. So we can say that there are 4 electrons present in the valence cell of 14 group elements. Elements present in group 15. Elements present in group 15. The easy way to remember the elements present in group 15, we can say news, paper, as सब बीके मार्केट में. Once more, news, paper, as सब बीके मार्केट में. So this is easy way to remember the elements present in group number 15. Once more, news, paper, as सब बीके मार्केट में. Electronic configuration, that is valence cell. Valence cell electronic configuration of nitrogen family is NH2NP3, means we can say there are 5 electrons present in the valence cell of elements of group number 15. Now group number 16. Elements present in group 16, we can write group number 16 elements, we can say O se tipo, and last element LV is known as love. So we can remember O se tipo love. Once more I write. Once more, os, se, tipo, love. So how to remember the elements present in group number 16? We can simply say os, se, tipo, love. Os, se, tipo, love. This is oxygen family, and the elements with valence cell configuration. Electronic configuration of valence cell of group number 16 is NH2NP4. NH2NP4. So there are 6 electrons present in the valence shell of the elements of group number 16. Now group number 17. Group number 17 elements are these are the elements present in group number 17, and the easy way to remember the elements are Fakal Bariyat Tasu. Once more, Fakal Bariyat Tasu. So easy way to remember the elements present in group number 17 is Fakal Bariyat Tasu. Fakal Bariyat Tasu. And this is known as halogen elements, or we can say halogen family, in which F, Cl, Bri, At and Ts are present. Electronic configuration. Valence shell electronic configuration of the elements present in 17 group is NH2NP5. NH2NP5 means there are 7 electrons present in the valence shell of these elements, that is present in group number 17. Now we understand group number 18 elements. Elements present in group number 18 are these are the elements present in group number 18. The way to remember the elements is Hina, Nina और करीना का एक्सरे रंगीन ओजी. Once more, Hina, Nina और करीना का एक्सरे रंगीन ओजी. So how to remember? Once more I speak. Hina, Nina और करीना का एक्सरे रंगीन ओजी. In this valence shell, electronic configuration is NH2NP6, means there are 8 electrons present in elements, we can say 18 group elements. Also we can say this is known as zero group or inert group. This group is also known as zero group or inert group. Elements present in D block. D block elements are also known as transition element. (3D, 4D, 5D and 6D). How to remember the elements present in D block? First we understand elements present in 3D series. The easy way to remember all the elements present in 3D series is Shakti, VCR, Mane, Feko, Nikunja. Once more, Shakti, VCR, Mane, Feko, Nikunja. Shakti, VCR, Mane, Feko, Nikunja. Shakti, VCR, Mane, Feko, Nikunja. These elements belong to 3D series. Now we understand 4D series elements. The elements present in 4D series can be remembered by easy trick is Yusuf Jahir Noble Mortal, Tendulkar Rook, Rahul Pad Aage Kud. Once more, Yusuf Jahir Noble Mortal, Tendulkar Rook, Rahul Pad Aage Kud. So the easy way to remember is Yusuf Jahir Noble Mortal, Tendulkar Rook, Rahul Pad Aage Kud. Now we study. After 3D, 4D we have 5D series. The elements present in this group, the elements present in this group is ला हफ्ता वरना रेखा उसको इरिटेशन से पीटेगी और हक करेगी. Once more, the elements present in 5D series can be remembered as ला हफ्ता वरना रेखा उसको इरिटेशन से पीटेगी और हक करेगी. After this we have 6D element. The elements present एक रफ डब सॉन्ग बाय हसमत दोस्त रागसुन. Once more, एक रफ डब सॉन्ग बाय हसमत दोस्त रागसुन. So these are the elements present in D block, or we can say transition element. Now F block elements. F block elements are also known as inner transition elements. It contains two series, lanthanoids and actinoids. First we understand the elements present in lanthanoid series. That is, these are the elements present in lanthanoid series. We can remember the elements present in lanthanoids as Shaper noodles pumpkin, सेम्यू गौड़ा था, तब डे हॉट, यरे तुम येलो ब्लू. Once more, Shaper noodles pumpkin, सेम्यू गौड़ा था, तब डे हॉट, यरे तुम येलो ब्लू. And now the last series, that is actinoid series. These are the elements present in actinoid series, and the way to remember the series is, we can remember, थोड़ा पास उस नूपुर के आम कम बिके, कॉफी ऐसे फरमाओ मैडम नाश्ता ला रहे हैं. Once more, थोड़ा पास उस नूपुर के आम कम बिके, कॉफी ऐसे फरमाओ मैडम नाश्ता ला रहे. So this is the way we can remember F block elements also.